Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use deep research in Gemini. Now, let's get started. So first, open your Gemini app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, deep research is a feature that lets Gemini analyze topics more deeply by gathering and organizing information into a full report. But by default, it's not turned on. So to use this, you need to click this Tools and choose Deep Research. Now, you can type in your question like normal, but instead of a simple prompt, be more specific in here. So, for example, you can ask something like, give me a detailed report on climate change impacts, or any topic you want to explore. Once you send your request, Gemini will take a bit longer than usual because it's doing deeper analysis. It pulls together information, organizes it, and gives you a more complete and structured response instead of a quick answer. Now, after the results appear, you'll usually get a breakdown of sections, key points, and sometimes sources or summaries you can explore further. You can also follow up with more questions to go even deeper, like asking for examples, comparisons, or simplified explanations. So basically, that's it. Deep research basically turns Gemini into a powerful research assistant that helps you understand complex topics without doing all the manual searching yourself. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!